Hello, good morning. Hey, to new people in the house. Mega love shout out. Peps. Hello everyone. If you want to share about this topic, so everyone is welcome. So sharing and giving. 3 million people in the house. Thank you so much. Sorry, I need to do this in my working day time. Hey, Cisco, Sis Maria, mega love shout out. Good morning, good morning, good morning, Cisco. How's it going? How's your wife? It's evening in your place, right? Yeah, here in Macau, it's morning. My phone will be falling down. Hey, who's this? Hi, host. Hello. I cannot SMR. Good day po. Good day. Good to see you, sis. Yes. Don't forget to share about your opinion. There's some people like this. Why? There's no feelings. There's no doesn't care to what we done to other people. Going good, we're just relaxing before bed. Yeah, it's almost night. Where are you from? SMR? How did you pronounce your name? Your S-A-S-A SMR. I don't know how I cannot see. Good day po, good day then. Where are you from? It's so hot still, hot summer here in Macau. How about you, Cisco? What is your opinion or to sharing or this about why there's some people like this? It's easy, doesn't care what's the people feeling to other people to doing something, bedtime. Okay. Where are you from? SMR. What is this? 85, mister? Or how I will pronounce your YouTube channel? 85 Mr. MR. Mister. 7 ways. Say hello to Cisco people in the chat. So hot. Really. They don't care about other people's feeling and they don't get bad consequence. Hello. 85M, mister. How did you pronounce? Really? It's so hard to pronounce your YouTube channel. So, just comment one of my video and then I will give it back. Or I will check your channel if I finish my life. Where are you from? 85 mister. Hello, come from 7 ways. Sorry guys, it's so like this. Okay, now we can see. Yeah, that's why consequence. Yeah, that is the problem. So some people doesn't care, right? Feelings in emotional and physical. 7 ways. Cisco people in the chat, you just talk about this topic, okay? Hey AJ, how are you? AJ, weekdays. Hi, Maria Rosario de la Peña. Hello AJ, how's it going? Are you still in the Philippines, AJ? How's everyone? How's your week? What is the topic about deceiving, feeling, or first impression, or meeting Filipinas? Yeah, AJ, hey Cisco. AJ, hey bro, come from Cisco. Yeah, because there's some people, it's easy to, to hurt or to get deceiving the feelings to other people. Doesn't care what is the feedback or result, what she did, you have still in the Pampanga. Okay, are you enjoying right now? That's why you want to stay living in the Philippines, in Pampanga. How's your girlfriend, AJ? Oh, you are also again guest to with Sis IC this coming Saturday. Alright, doesn't care what the outcome or what is the feedback to other people, what she did, what she heard, what she said, why there's some people like this? Really, do you think it's deserved that people or that woman or man to receiving like that, or to what you call this, deserve what she done? That's why, really, that is the one reason. That's why I don't want to hurt to other people, because I know what is the outcome to you, so that is the problem also. Don't trust easy to other people. Yes, collab Saturday. Collab with who? Where collaboration in the Philippines? With who? So hot. The way you must be care, you must be to yourself, to not hurting to other people. Some people feel good when they make other people feel bad. that is sadist, what do you call this, that is kind of people not contented, not happy, to hurting to other people feelings, makes them feel powerful. Yeah. Hi Alwina, good morning. Good morning Alwina. Good to see you here. Alwina, yeah. The relationship is good. There were some bumps, but things smooth out. Collaboration, some what collaboration with the IC on Saturday. Okay. I thought in collaboration in meetups, collaboration online, right? That's why the best thing you do, don't trust very quick when you first meet the people, you know, because some people, yeah, Cisco on the taco party. Yeah, I'll try to join if I'm not busy, if my work finish early, so I will try to join. We'll see. Yeah, tacos, drinking wine day, I think. Yes, trust takes time. Actually, to be honest, that is the problem to me. That's why it's, I don't know. So hot, really. Thank you guys for dropping by, and at least, even everybody is busy, but we need to support. Yeah, that is the problem. And also, you must be careful if deserve that people you giving your trust. But I don't know why there's some like this. Yes, trust takes time. That's right, Cisco. Guys, don't forget to like and share, please. And thank you for your everyone's support and drop by to my live. Even this is a working day. Yeah, it's weekdays, so that's why. Sorry if I disappear because I have a obligation as my work. But thank you everyone. So hot. Wait guys, wait. I need to check. 2 million people in the house. Mega mega love shout out. Yes, true. When you have a good heart, you trust easy. That's why you get hurt easy. Yeah, that's right, Cisco. I relate that. You have to be confident that everyone is not a good person. And it is okay to not giving trust to everyone. So first, yeah, that's right, Cisco. That is the one thing. That's why there's a people, there's easy to hurt it, think that people is not deserving to, you know, to hurting to anyone's, to everyone. That's why. 7 ways. Where are you? 6. Taco party. Yeah. 2 million people in the house. Thank you so much, guys. How about you, EJ? Did you try or did you experience some people like this? And anyone's people in the chat? Who's in the chat? Sorry guys, sorry. I'm sorry, I missed the start of the conversation. Yeah, about the title, TJ. I will show you guys. I will show you here in my Did you like the views, guys? That is the far as you can see the Saint Paul Church, the historical church. And then this one, the new one, Hotel Central, that is a good also, and it's easy for a good people to be good and easy for bad people to be bad. There's a many deceiver in the world. It let people lose my trust. Beautiful view. Yeah, that is a tourist spot here. I love the view so much. I want to jump. Peter of Barbaria, mega love shout out. Hello. Hey Peter, coming from AJ. As you can see that on the it's nice place at night. Hey AJ, coming from Peter, but every night is so nice. But day, there's no light. You cannot see. Hello, Maria. Hello, Peter. How's it going? How are you doing? How's your day? Okay. You enjoy the view, guys. I'll keep it this, guys, okay? Greetings, Sir Seven. Good morning, afternoon, Peter. Be right back. I have to get ready to start my day. Okay, AJ. Have a nice day. Greetings. Say 7 ways to love. Or is this is second profile or new name? 7 ways to love. No, that's hello. Hello, AJ. That is still same, AJ. 3 million people in the house. I just leave it my phone like this. Okay, guys. You just enjoy the view. Damn, no. What happened to profile name? Coming from 7 ways. How many percent my phone? Oh, 61. Okay, I need to. Whitey change shit. 4 million people in the house. Mega love shout out. Thank you, thank you. Voting, trying to check profile. They killing of what we want to calling. Maybe it's for the troll. Yeah, something has been missing with again. Why the change? Shit. Thank you. 4 million people in the house. Thank you so much. Guys, sorry. Just like and share and please. Peter, I told you, what is your opinion about this? Put it out, trying to check profile. Yeah. Peter, are you still there? Enjoy for the views. Thank you. Six million people in the house. Don't forget to like and share. And thank you for stay and for dropping by, guys. Thank you. Told you, Maria. Mix coffee and then it's tell you answer. So what is your answer, Peter? Share your answer. 5 million people in the house. Mega mega love shout out. Nobody deserve you unless you want to be deceiving. No, I think it's not deceiving the people to feel like that, or to experience, or to encounter like people like that, you know. That's why this is the reason why there's some people easy to doing that bad things. It's just because this is no feelings, or he doesn't care what she done to other people. So, you know, and also it's not deserving that people to be happy, or you know, just wants to a real relationship, a real people to encounter the real people. I mean, I don't it's not, it's easy to other. Marskal, waiting for your Marskal content. Just like, who's this? Someone to message. Who's this Marskal? For them. Ah, okay. So guys, by next week, we're starting to winter. The weather will change by next week. So thanks God, really. It's so, this weather, I hate this kind of weather. Nobody deserve to save you unless you. Yeah. Why people, it's not deceiving to receive. You know, in the end, if this person also the one to angry, it's just because we're telling that what happened or what the truth, but he the one to become mad. By next week, I might be gardening naked. Why will starting the summer in your place, Peter? Dear, next week starting winter. Yes, I'm happy now. It will be cold by next week. At least it's almost done summer. How many percent my phone? Oh, 56. It's not charging. My phone. Why did not charging? It's open. Like and share, guys. See you on Monday, this coming Friday, guys. I need to be wine day. Good, help us. Oh, what is fright? Come from 7 ways. Talking to the dealer again, Maria. Are you talking? No. No, fighter. There's different, another. Some people coming from here in Macau. I thought that is, no, later. It's not me, Peter, come on. Oh, what's up, right? God help us. No. Later, we'll talk about that. Just peep in the other people. That is the, it's general, you know. It's not about me. Okay, 3 million people in the house. Just pretend you don't know either of us. I think I still have my spanner. They're intact for now. I never get in trouble. What? Ups. Probably something did not do again. I never get in trouble for what I do. Thinking I still have my spanner. They're intact for now. Well, never work Pinay is more smarter than give credit for. Alzheimer. Alzheimer. I need to put down. I put inside now. I go.